Colleague Minister Haidu.
At Monday's Newser, Indigenous Services Minister Patty Haidu says the Athabasca Chipewyan and Mikisew Cree First Nations feel let down by what happened.
They're devastated and their communities are devastated, and they're afraid. They're afraid that the water is contaminated. They have no trust or faith that the testing results are accurate, given the fact that both leaders and communities feel that they've been misled over the number of months that they haven't had information from either the Alberta government or Imperial Oil.
Haidu says to help remedy the situation, ISC is providing both potable water and mental health services to the communities for the time being. As well, Environment Minister Stephen Guilbeault says the reporting system between Imperial Oil and the Alberta government over the wastewater spill was lacking.
I'm very concerned about the reporting gaps. The seepage was not communicated to affected communities in a timely or appropriate way by the company or provincial regulator. This demonstrates that the system did not work in this case and needs to be examined and strengthened.
Guilbeault says the federal government has proposed a joint working group between both levels of government and Indigenous communities with participation from oil companies that would give regular updates on remediation and containment plans. But he was unable to say what consequences, if any, Imperial Oil would face for failing to report the leak in a timely manner.
There is an active investigation by the Enforcement Branch of Environment and Climate Change Canada, so I can't comment on the specific question you're asking. More broadly, as I said, we need to have a better system of reporting and communicating on tailing ponds and tailing pond seepage and leakages.
And Haidu had this to say when asked why Imperial Oil is not responsible for any of the costs of providing communities with clean drinking water.
Well, I think it would be a mistake to not do anything and fight about who's paying for what when people are scared to drink the water. So the federal government is stepping into the void, quite frankly, and providing clean water while the community is distressed about the safety of its water, and we're saving all our receipts.
The Athabasca Chipewyan are holding a town hall this Wednesday to discuss the emergency further. Fraser Needham, APTN National News, Ottawa.